So fundamentals of IT business analysis. Today, almost every business has and every solution has got some intervention or facilitation of IT. IT has become an integral part of business value chain. So who is an IT business analyst? We know business analysts have something to do with solutions, something to do with problem identification. So IT business analysts are business analysts who typically work on IT projects, projects like new software development. So say for example, a business analyst working on a payments project, say working with Google Pay or working with WhatsApp Pay or working with Phone Pay or Paytm or a company like PayPal. Soft and why only these payments companies? Even a e-commerce company will require payments specialists. A chain of say health gymnasiums or mm, health stores will also require some kind of payment. So payment specialists are required everywhere. Software customization. Say a business analyst working on an already implemented product or project, working on customization, suggesting new processes, working on new requirements. So software is something which has got a life of its own. So there are new requirements, there are new features which are required, some bugs get identified, so they are also to be addressed. Package implementation. So packages are pre-built products which are to be implemented. So say for example, what I have mentioned here, Finacle Banking is basically a banking suite developed by Infosys, and this banking suite will get implemented in multiple banks. So next implementation, let us say, is in a bank in Africa. So we require implementers or business analysts on this project. Client will hire them. The implementation company will hire them, and of course, Infosys will also have its own business analysts who understand this business. New software and vendor selection. So business analyst, say for example, a business analyst who is working for an insurance company and now they need a new CRM software for their company. So business analysts work with client organizations also. So this business analyst will work on behalf of his client or his employer, on behalf of his employer to assist, and he will assist him in new software and vendor selection. And why only new software and vendor selection? When the software will get selected, he will also assist his employer in package implementation. So he will be a go-to guy who will be connecting with the business analyst who will be employed by the IT vendor. So business analysts are analysts who are working on IT projects. And this is a techno-functional role, something like 70% of managerial or functional skills, some 30% of other skills which require technical skills also, but definitely not programming. But you need to be tech savvy. So now how you can make impact as a business analyst. So business analysis is about, you see, new process design is about process improvements. Remember the earlier process for SIM card activation. So in somewhere in 2008, 2010, if you are to seek a new SIM card and get that activated, what you need to do, you need to go to a vendor, fill out the operator's form, have a vendor fee, pay the vendor fee. All these documents will go at the end of the day to some processing center and some verification center. In 24 to 36 hours, this mobile SIM will get activated and you will have a new number. Today, this is not the case. You go to a center, provide your identity, there is a biometric authentication, pay fee and obtain SIM, plan activation gets in 30 minutes. So why have I written impactful IT analysis? Now this is impactful because this is impacting no less than 50 crore individuals in our country. So if you are a business analyst on processes which have high impact, of course, you will have a better career and you will also have a marvelous salary. So if you work for a company which is not that impactful, of course you will gain experience, but salary will be lesser. So, but since IT projects can make impact, you sooner or later you will get into better companies with better experience. And simple changes in process can lead to significant results. So you can see cost, quality, service, and speed. Earlier, what used to take 200 rupees, say for example, now it happens in 20 rupees. Earlier, what used to have, you see, 2 days of verification time, now it takes 2 hours. Other activities similarly. So this is business analysis. And business analysis is a never-ending activity. And business analysis does not necessarily mean big applications, big processes. Even small, simpler application, mobile apps can help for it. Say, for example, if I talk about a mobile app, what will come to your mind? A big app like HDFC Bank's portal on via our app, or maybe the Amazon app from where you can do purchases, or a mega ticket booking app. But this is not the case. Even small processes may require an app. What you see here on the screen is basically a single window app, what I call as a nano app. So a nano app, if you connect with me, I may put your name and email, which I will get from your WhatsApp, which I would have asked for. I will put it in another app and this goes to my database. And as and when I want, I can send you an email from my database, which is an email marketing system. So Appify is another, I have told you brainstorming. Appify is yet another technique wherein you can basically provide the software process in a different form factor. This process, this app could be a mega app, or it could be a single screen app like this. No reports, nothing.